What's the meaning of backwoodsman? Backwoodsman. Backwoodsman.
Backwoodsman. Backwoodsman. The term backwoodsman refers to a person who lives in a remote or rural area, often characterized by rugged terrain and a lack of modern amenities. Historically, backwoodsmen were typically hunters, trappers, or farmers who lived off the land, relying on their skills and knowledge of the wilderness to survive. Today, the term is often used more broadly to describe anyone who lives in a rural area or has a self-sufficient lifestyle. Backwoodsmen are often admired for their independence, resourcefulness, and connection to nature, but they can also be seen as isolated or out of touch with modern society.